So if you have watched my last video, I mentioned about a game which I am working on. The idea of the game I got around 2 years ago, I think in 2019 or 2020. During those days, I didn't have those kind of skills to develop that game. But now I have got the skills, the power of thinking required to develop that game. So the idea of game is you all have played Lego when you were kid. So the last time I played Lego was when I was around 10 to 12 years old. After that I never played it. Even I tried to purchase it, but it was really too costly for me to purchase. So I decided to make a game where a player can build anything out of Lego. All the Lego bricks will be available in your game. It will be a first person or the first person kind of game, hopefully, where all type of Lego bricks will be there, and you can use them to create any kind of structure and all, just like in real life. It will be kind of like a Minecraft thing. Like in Minecraft also, you can build anything out of the blocks. There will be different type of blocks, like stone block, cobblestone block is there is dirt block, there is diamond and all. Even people have made records building pyramids, building monuments and all. So but in Lego game there will be different types of Lego bricks. Like there is a 2x2, 2x4, 2x1, there is a beam, and these are the several bricks. I will try to mention all type of bricks. I will try to cover. I am trying to implement that thing where a player can create anything using those bricks.